Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza. Welcome to Sophie Stained Glass, and this is a joyous occasion which I have been told by my 17-year-old son, who is my YouTube consultant. Obviously we all need teenagers to help us with these things, that it is customary to thank your subscribers at milestone events. Well, a few days ago I passed 500 subscribers, which is very exciting for me, because when I started this channel I had like 3 subscribers, and I thought, well, I might end up with enough subscribers to fill maybe a broom cupboard, you know, and that would be nice. But 500, that sounds like loads to me. Now, I know in the context of YouTube it is but a drop in the ocean, and possibly will be sneered at, but I'm very happy, and I wanted to thank you all that took the time and trouble to subscribe, because it makes a big difference to me. It's a visible indication that I'm doing something that some people out there are finding useful, and it motivates me to keep going and try and think up new and useful things to do, which you can help me with actually. If there's something you want to see more of or less of, tell me, and if I can do it, I will. Thank you for your comments as well. I love getting your comments. Again, it makes me feel like there's real people out there. So it's a lonely world in your workshop, so it's like a little community, and I enjoy that aspect of it. Someone else out there is as into their craft as I am, basically, because obviously I live and breathe what I do, and it's lovely to know there are other people with similar enthusiasms. So once again, thank you all those people who subscribed, and I hope I can share more interesting videos with you in the future.